Hello everyone. In this video we are going to add a USB charger port to this device using this 9 volt with a micro USB port with a rechargeable battery because I'm tired from replacing these batteries all the time, and sometimes I need the device and I'm not having that 9 volt battery in the hand. In this package I got four 9 volt rechargeable battery with the charger cord. I'm gonna make a charger port this side. So when the battery is low, I'm gonna plug it and charge the device and use it again without replacing the battery. So let's take it apart. And we test 9 volt battery in this one to see if that battery works. Yes, the device is turns on and it works. Yeah, look like that place over there is deep enough to hold the battery. And this is the charger port, is a female, and this come with the wire. Yeah, I got that charger port from AliExpress, and you can see here the 9 volt battery is fit good inside the device. Because I can't put the 9 volt battery in the old place if I add uh, a micro USB port to it, plus the wires, and I will show you that. Most of these devices, like multimeter and testing device, they have a plenty of the empty space to use. This is a regular micro USB port, and we can solder the wire to it and plug it to the battery. So this is the way how we are gonna use it. And this charger port is better if it's flipped, but that's the only ones I find. So there is some plastic in that place is sticking out, and I'm gonna take them. There's no need for that one, so we're gonna cut them off. The battery is gonna fill, is gonna fit good inside that space. So now we make a little hole for the micro, for the USB-C charger port, the female, and any, and we can charge the device from there. I didn't know how the audio stopped in my computer. I have like a 3 or 4 videos now without the audio. That's why I'm recording, trying this way. We'll just clean that hole a little bit to make it feel right. We don't want a big hole that the charger port is going to be wiggle. We want it to fit tight. And I'm going to use the new microscope that I just got this morning. It's a portable microscope with a 10-inch screen. Yeah, I will do a video about it, reviewing it, how to use it, and what I think about it. So far, it's worked great. The resolution is it's very, very good. I'm happy with it. Yeah, I use it to fix couple device today, and it's worked perfect for what I need. Basically, the camera on this new microscope is better than the camera on my old microscope. So we're gonna solder the wires, the black and the negative, and the red and the positive from the female USB charger port to the male micro charging port that's gonna fit in the battery. So we just need two wires. Here I'm just trying to figure out how to use this remote because I just receive it. I will share my experience about it with you. And you can see now we have that female USB-C port plugged to the battery, and we can charge the battery from there. I'm gonna use the hot glue to glue the port. The hot glue is strong enough to handle when plug and plug the charger to the device. And we glue the battery in the frame because we don't want the battery moving and damage the board inside. Now you can see the device is closed good, it works, and we have the USB-C port in the side. Plus we have extra empty space. We use it for something else. Alright, let's plug the cord and we're gonna check the amp meter. Yeah, it take about 600 milliamp, 5 volt, so it works. Yeah, the next video I'm gonna do a multimeter. I'm gonna add the same thing. We're gonna add a USB-C port, female, to charge this multimeter battery without like replacing the battery every time. And that's gonna be the next video. Same thing. I have like a 3 or 4 devices that I want to do the same way. I share it with you. Yeah, you can see there is other space that we can use it. And this USB-C like is long enough for this thick multimeter. Yeah, the job is done and it looks good. No more buying the 9 volt batteries every couple weeks. So this all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.